Hello dear children, today I am going to recite a poem. The name of the poem is Bird Talk. Please listen carefully and try to recite the poem. Bird Talk. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat petals. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Are not people funny to be that way? The name of the poet is Alien Fisher. Thank you.